Jai Hind children. In class 8, the first chapter in mathematics is rational number. I am going to give the definition of the rational number. A number which is written in the form of a fraction, that is p by q. P is the numerator and q is the denominator. Where p and q are member of integers. The numbers negative integers, positive integers and 0. These are called integers. But q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Example, minus 3 by 4, 5 by 9, 7, 0, minus 12. You can write this just point 1 2 equal to 12 by 100. Minus 3, 6 by 9, minus 7 by minus 2. These are the rational number. Exercise 1A. Question number 2. Express minus 42 by 98 as a rational number with denominator 7. Minus 42 by 98, denominator 7. 14 7 is 98. So divide 14 minus 42 by 14, that is minus 3. It is in the numerator. Question number 4. Express each of the following rational number in a standard form. Suppose that minus 12 upon 30. You divide both by 3, that is 3 4 is minus 12. And 3 10 is 30. Again minus 4 by 10, minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 by 5 is in the standard form. It is your answer. Question number 8. Arrange the following rational number in ascending form, that is 4 upon minus 9, minus 5 upon 12, 7 upon minus 18 and minus 2 upon 3. First of all, we shall change the denominator in a positive integer. You will multiply by minus 1, that is minus 4 by 9, minus 5 upon 12 and minus 7 upon 18 and minus 2 upon 3. First of all, we shall find out the LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 3. Our LCM is 36. So we write the denominator 36 and 36. 9 4 is 36, 4 4 is 16, 12 3 is 36, 3 5 is 15 and 18 2 is 36, 2 7 is 14, minus 14 and 3 12 is 36, 3 2 is minus 6. Our question is, we have to change into ascending order. So minus 16 is the lowest among the numerators. So 4 by minus 9 is the least number, and minus 15 by 36, minus 5 upon 12 and 7 by minus 18 and minus 2 by 3 is in the form of the ascending order. Exercise 1B. Represent each of the following numbers on the number line. Question number 1. First 1 by 3. First of all, we make a number line and divide into 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1 by 3. From 0 to 1, we divide into 3 parts, that is 1, 2, 3. 1 by 3 is the first part, it is 1 by 3. 1 and 3 by 4. 1 and 3 by 4. First of all, we make a number line 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1 and 1 by 3 comes in from 1 to 2. That is, we divide into 4 parts. 1 and 3 by 4. This number is called 1 and 1 by 3. Okay? Second question. Represent each of the following numbers on the number line. Question number 2. First, minus 1 upon 3. First of all, we make the list of the integer on the number line. Here, mid number is 0 and this number is minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 by 3 comes in the left of the 0. First we divide into 3 parts and this number is called minus 1 by 3. Second, minus 3 by 4. We make a number line that is 0 and minus 1. Minus 3 by 4 we divide into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, that is give 3 by 4. This number is called minus 3 by 4. Okay, sir?
Yes, okay.